Hey beauty lovers, unboxing December in 60 seconds. This month all members get the choice of the L'Oreal Pure Clay Exfoliating Mask or the Daily Concepts Gel Eye Mask. Go from hot to cold and depuff those eyes. You also get the Innisfree Blackhead Removal Program and a K-Beauty Mask. Try something sensational from Alterna, the Caviar CC 10-in-1 Whole Cream. From Elizabeth and James, the Nirvana Black Dry Shampoo in 60 mils. All you have to do is spray and go. Don't forget to set the mood. Introducing Australian brand Melissa Allen Mood Essentials. And a teeny tiny treat from Technique Cosmetics, the 6 Shadow Eyeshadow Palette. Hello, Elizabeth Arden. Your treat this month from Elizabeth Arden, the Ceramide Ultra Lipstick in Cameo, shade 9. Visit us at beautyboxclub.au to find out more.